Four. Yeah, four. We see we have one, two, three, four little cows here. Can we count together? One, two, three, four. Four. Can we say four? Good. Four. Good. One more time. Four. Good. Four. And next is five. Five. One, two, three, four, five. Your whole hand. Can you show me your hand? Five. We have one, two, three, four, five. Good. Can we say five? Good. Five. Five. Good. Let's find it here. Okay, we have five little sheep. We see one, two, three, four, five. Five. We can remember this number five because of our hand. Five fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. Show me your hand. Say stop. Good. 5 fingers. 6. Add one more. 6. We have 6 little piggies here. Can we say 6? 6. Good. 6. Good. We hear that X sound. X, x. 6 S I X 6. Yeah, 6. Good. And 7. Oh, 7. Can we say 7? Good. 7. Good. Good. We can say 7. Yeah. Good. And 8. We have 8. Good. Can we say 8? 8. G H T, right? 8. And we have 8 little chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Good. Can we say? Good. 8. Yeah. 8. Yes. Good job, students. Good. So we will talk more about the last two here, 9 and 10, a little bit more next class. Okay, let's stand up. So we say stand up. We stand up. Can we stand up together? Yeah, let's stand up together. We stand up and move around and dance. Okay, now I'm sitting. Okay, and then I hear Miss Christine and she said, stand up. Okay, so we stand up. Yeah? Okay, stand up. And we're going to watch a little video. We're going to sing a little song called the Number Song. So stand up, dance, move around. Here's the Number Song.
How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands with me. Let's count our toes. How many toes on one foot? How many toes on one foot? How many toes on one foot? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many toes on 2 feet? How many toes on 2 feet? How many toes on 2 feet? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed our song and you stomped, stomped, stomped your feet. Yeah. Okay, so let's play a little game. In this bag, I'm putting all of our numbers. Let's see if when I pull the numbers out of the bag, you can say. So I'll show an example. Okay, let's see. What do I got here? Six. Yeah. Let's try together. Hey guys, which number is this? 5? Good. 5. Yeah. What about this? 3? Yeah, good. 3. Oh. I don't know. I don't know. Hey guys, what number is this? 8? Yeah, this is 8. Good job, the number 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I hear 1? Not 1. 2? 2. Good. 2. Yeah. What about this number? 4? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Yeah. Oh, who is this? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1? Good. Yeah, this is number 1. Yeah. Oh, have we seen this number before? I think we have. This is 6. Good. 6. What about this number? What could this number be? Yeah. Giving you a minute to think there. Did I hear 7? Yes! Good job, students. You are so smart, you know. Okay, well, now it's time to say goodbye. That's it for our class today. Thank you so much for coming, and I will see you next class. Bye-bye. Bye.